Did you know this? The purpose of writing this code is how to store multiple values, maybe 3, 4, 5 or any number of values in two variables in Python. Consider the following. A comma B comma C comma D is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So RHS 4 values are there and left hand side you need to take 4 variables. This is a regular mechanism of Python programming. I run this code. This is a regular mechanism of Python program. But we need not to take 4 variables. I want to take this mechanism something like this. I say here print of, or another mechanism which is an amazing facility, A comma, I say here some x comma star y is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So 10 stored in x, 20, 30, 40 stored in y, where y is of type list. Print x comma type of y, x comma y. It will print all the values. 10 stored in x, 20, 30, 40 stored in y. So this indicates, irrespective of the number of variable values, the first value stored in first variable, second to subsequent value stored in the star y. This is one of the amazing facility in Python. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.